Hey everyone, is ueli not opening on your Windows computer? This problem can happen because of background processes, corrupted settings, missing updates, or installation issues. In this full guide, I'll show you several proven ways to fix ueli when it won't open. So let's get started. First, check whether ueli is already running in the background. Look in the Windows system tray for the ueli icon. If it's already running, click the icon or reopen the launcher using its keyboard shortcut instead of starting another instance. If ueli isn't responding, press Ctrl+Shift+S to open Task Manager. Find ueli, select it, click End Task, and then launch the application again. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary software conflicts. Restart your computer, then try opening ueli again before making any other changes. If the problem continues, download the latest version of ueli from the official website and reinstall it over your existing installation, or perform a clean reinstall if necessary. Reinstalling often fixes corrupted application files. Some antivirus or security software may prevent applications from launching. Temporarily check whether your security software has blocked ueli, then add it to the allowed list if needed. If ueli still won't open, reset its configuration by removing or renaming its settings file, then launch the application again. ueli will create a fresh configuration file with the default settings, which can resolve problems caused by corrupted preferences. And that's how to fix ueli when it won't open. In most cases, ending the background process, restarting your PC, resetting the settings, or reinstalling the application will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.